Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the simple inventory management system using C#.NET. Let us show the demo first. This is the demo. Now what I am going to do is here there will be the two things, right? Chicken soup and vegetable soup. Now I am going to check chicken soup. I am going to buy 2 quantity. Vegetable soup I am going to buy 1. Click add button here. Chicken soup 2 quantity, the price will be 100, this one. Vegetable soup 1 quantity, price will be this 50. All the price will be calculated and this is the total price will be displayed. Okay, this is the system how to do step by step, we'll teach. Right. Okay, now what I'm going to do is here, I just copy this code. Right. Okay, now let's go to the file, new project. Select C#, Windows application, click. If you want to give the project name, you can give inventory soup, inventory soup, right. Press enter key. Your project has been created successfully. Now here what I am going to do is here I am going to expand the form little bit bigger. Now I am going to drag the tools, right. Go here, toolbox. Here I am going to, first one should be the label I need. Drag the label and put it here. Here I am going to select properties. I am going to write here as soup inventory management. Yes, soup inventory management system. Let's type soup inventory management system. Key. Now what I am going to do is select this one, right click, properties, this one, click on this, bold, size, you have to mention the size here, right. Now after that what I am going to do is here, I am going to add the group box. So group box, I just click and drag over here, set it here, the relevant position. Okay, I am going to set it here. Over here you have to change this one as a soup. So drag to check boxes, drag it one. This name I am going to give it here as chicken soup. Press enter key. You have to increase the font a little bit bigger. Now we need another field, that's a quantity. So we need a toolbox text field. Click on this and drag it over here. Right. Now we have to change the name. This one should be the, you just click, select this one, change the name here. Here CHK, because this is a checkbox, we have CHK soup. This one you have changed as TXT, the text box. This one should say chicken soup, so C soup. We just type the short words. C means this chicken soup, the first letter should be C. Okay, so these two things. Hold on the shift key down and click these two. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste and get another copy. Select the second one. This one you have to change this one as a veg soup. So veg. Press enter key. So here what I want, this one should be the name. So I change it as TXT V soup. Press enter key. Right. Now we need one button. This button I just drag and drop. Expand it. Click on this button, you have to add. Press enter key. Font, change the size 20. Right. Here what I am going to do is here drag one data view. Data grid view, drag it over here, and we have to do the label text. We have total, so change the font size 22, right. After that we have to drag another text field, drag it over here. Just click on this one and multi-line text field, so drag like this, right. So select this one, we have to change the font size as 18. Perfect. The simple design I have made, not colorful, I just designed the simple one. So here click on the data grid view, click on here, add columns. First column you have to add as item. First column I am going to add as item, click add. Second column I am going to add as quantity, sorry, here, not here, sorry, click on this one, click here, add column, this is here, okay, quantity. Third one should be price, click on here. Fourth one should be total. You have to add look like this way, right. After that, close it. Now what I am going to do is here, we have to change this one, we have to change it as txt total, this text field, okay. We have to follow the instruction what I am doing, otherwise it is a little bit complex to complete the project, right. So here design name, so name I am going to change txt tot, then only we have to use press enter key, then only it will be applied here. So all the things are applied successfully. Now double click on the add button. I am going to same code, I just paste it and I have to explain it, because if I write the code and do it, it take too much time to complete the video. It is video will be lengthy, okay. So here, right. So here what I did here is chk, what is the checkbox name, you have to put the checkbox name correctly, chk soup. The name you have to copy it. Where's the name property? Find the name property and copy it. This is a name property. You just copy and paste it over here. This one chk wedge. Alright, that's it. This is a chk txt c soup, quantity c soup. Just put it at. This is c wedge, txt wedge. Wait, okay. What's the problem of this text field? This I have changed the name over here. The soup wedge I have not changed it. That's why txt wedge. Wedge the txt soup. Okay. Wedge. txt b soup. Right. Same name. Control C to copy. Now we'll paste over here. Right. This one. What the problem of the change the text field? Here I'm not change anything else. That's why it's tchk wedge. Right. That's it. Change it. Right. Okay. What I did here is, first you have to create the string variable name, integer variable price, quantity, and total. Right. So here what I did here is, first you have to check the condition. If chk soup mean, this is the text font which I name it as chk soup. If it is check it, to the particular if condition, all the stuff, right. So the name I am going to give, I am create the name variable here, get it here, second soup, okay. Name, quantity, what is the quantity I enter on this text field, what I did here is it assigned to this quantity variable. Here I am going to, the quantity should be the integer, so you have to convert as a int.parse, right. Price I have given as 100. The soup price I have given as 100, right. So I have created the variable price, and total variable also created total. After that I am going to calculate the total equal quantity into price, okay. Quantity into price, so it will be calculated and assigned to the variable total. So here where I am going to display this calculation, all the things, it need to be displayed on the data grid view. So here I am going to create the data grid view, which name is data grid view 1. So you have to write this data grid view 1 row dot hat. Row dot hat, what is the meaning of that one? This is a row I have created. Okay, what I enter on this text field and checkbox and click add button, this all the information should be displayed on this particular data grid view. That is the thing I need to be displayed. So you have to write name, this variable name I have put it here, quantity and price and total. So here what is the, if you are selected on this check box and enter the quantity and click add button, all the product information will be displayed on this data grid view field. Okay, so I have given like this. Okay, after that, if the user select the wedge checkbox, wedge soup checkbox, what happen is they first of all they selected and enter the quantity, click add button, the product information will be displayed on the data grid view. Okay, right, this is the thing I have did it. Okay, right, so let's check whether it's working fine or not. Okay, so here 1 is a 2, click add button, here it's work what we expected. Okay, we wrote what we expected. So here the final result, I have created the variable int sum equals 0. So you have to write the variable, create the variable int row equals 0, right? We create the for loop. Why I create the for loop is we have get the final total. So this is total. We have select the checkboxes and add the item one by one. The total will be the row will be added one by one. Okay, so what happen is the total we need to calculate it. So what is the total? The final total will be displayed. So here I have get the for loop in order to calculate the column of the total, right? So you have to write the row data grid view row count. Data grid view, I have count the row. How many rows here I have counted. Okay, so you have to write sum. You have to write the variable sum equals sum. Convert, you have to convert it. So you have to write data grid view row cell number 0 mean 3 mean what happen is this is calculated as arrow position. So array position. So it's starting from 0 position 1, 2, 3. 3 mean I need to calculate the column 3. So we have to specify the column, which column you need to calculate. So we have cell number 3 mean it goes to the total. So this starting from 0 position 1, 2, 3. So total column will be 3. So it will be calculated the value of how many rows added the particular total cell. It will calculated and put it in the sum. So where it going to print it printed the final total at txt total dot text equal, we have to the sum, what is the sum you are getting. You have to convert them as a toString method and it is assigned to the total text box, this text box. That's the stuff we have to achieve. So far we have calculated the things. That's the things we have to here. 300, 100, 400 will be calculated. I hope you guys get it. I hope you are understanding well. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.